What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to use the remote start feature on a 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. Like I said, it's a 23 Santa Fe in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So taking a look at our key fob, this button on the bottom that's almost a full circle and says hold on it, that's going to be the remote start button. In order to use the remote start, we'll hit the lock button and then immediately hold that button down for at least 2 seconds. The vehicle will respond by flashing the lights and then starting. The Santa Fe will run for 10 minutes before automatically turning itself off if you don't get in and drive. If you want to cancel the remote start, turn the vehicle off before you've gotten in, all you'll do is hold the remote start button down for a couple seconds and it will turn the vehicle off. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.